Tesla Model Y's refresh is expected to retain its below $45,000 price tag for the standard model. Embrace as the most awaited refresh of the most sold Tesla model, the Tesla Model Y, is on the horizon, debuting shortly after a significant remodeling of the Model Y codenamed Juniper. The top-tier electric vehicle EV is said to be undergoing the inspection phase, which was recently authenticated by the emergence of a camouflaged version in California. New Tesla Model Y design. To put it mildly, no considerable amendments are foreseen on the design of the Model Y refresh, except for some tweaks aimed at striking the EVV with a more modern look. These tweaks include slimmer, slanted headlights and insignificantly reshaped front and rear bumpers. The most notable change is expected on the front side, replacing the Tesla emblem with spelt-out Tesla letters, ensuring a sleeker, sportier look. Inside the Tesla Model Y, a rumored rear seat infotainment display is likely to be added to hand climate control and entertainment apps access to backseat passengers. A controversial change is also in the pipeline. The turn signal stalk could be replaced with steering wheel buttons. Further interior modifications revolve around new accent lighting and more cozy seats similar to the Model 3. Tesla Model Y feature enhancements. As to the feature richness of the upcoming Tesla Model Y, it is expected to get smarter with the predictive shifting technology, a functionality it's going to borrow from the Model S, installed to guess whether the driver would drive forward or reverse upon entering the car. Besides this, drivers may also manually select gears with an on-screen selector or a physical one near the hazard lights. Meanwhile, the Model Y refresh might also see ventilated seating and a better sound system. The variety of trims includes 3 models: standard range, long range, and performance. Tesla Model Y pricing. This is the aspect which has always been the precursor of its competitive aura in the EV sphere. As we saw a trivial price hike on the Model 3, primarily led by its Highland refresh, the Model Y is also expected to retain its below $45,000 price tag for the standard model.